In this video we will talk about support lines and I will offer you some nice ideas for the November 2021 and I think we have to talk about basics and you can see here a line on 472. It is a PAYC software, very nice company, and you can see that it was a highs of this stock and now we are coming from the upper side. If you will buy this stock somewhere here, it can be really good. First of all, because you can put your stop loss in 4 to 5% and upside will be close to 30 in 6 months or something like this, and we're getting 6 to 1 reward to risk or 1 to 6 risk reward, and it means that if you will make like 50-50 on success and unsuccess rates, you will make money. In PAYC I will just wait a little bit more, and maybe I will buy this stock for 480, and if you don't have time you can buy it right now, because I think it is a really nice level here and lots of people see it, and it is a basic of levels, so you just drawing them and it means that lots of people see them, and this is how they work. Lots of people will buy here and buyers probably will win. The second one, ABMD, Abiomed, and it is a super nice company. It grow, and I think you can see some kind of a huge level here, 350, and we're just 360. It is just 3% away, and maybe it is a nice time to buy. But we have a lower upside, only maybe 16%. Next one, Amgen, AMGN, really old and boring company, because we have a trend channel from 2013. You can buy right now or maybe wait a little bit and buy it somewhere here, I think. But anyway, we have really nice upside here, over 30%. Antares Pharma, ATRS, and I'm waiting for this level 3.40, and you can see 1, 2 and 3 here, a very strong level, and we bounce back lots of times, but again it is only 6% away. I think it is safe to buy with 60% upside. I think it doesn't matter. Not so easy with Bristol-Myers, BMY, and we have two scenarios here. First one, that we will pass this line and I hope I will buy somewhere here, and the second one we will go lower and then bounce back again from $56 or something like this. Camtek, CAMT, and we on an all-time high right now, but I hope that we will see something like this and I will buy on the tops $46.5. Globus Medical, and if I will see a green bar tomorrow, maybe I will buy it, because it is some kind of a good level and it is a good company with an upper trend. What else do you need from the stock? Inari Medical, ticker NARI, and again only 9% from the tops, but probably we will come back again, and I will try to buy maybe here, or I will just pass this company. Super sweet opportunity, Neurocrine Biosciences, top company, and you can see it here, and we already on some kind of a good level, but momentum is not really good, and probably we will see lower numbers, maybe 85, 84, and I think it will be really good to buy it somewhere here. RDI, Dr. Reddys Laboratories, not a super fast company, and you can see that revenue not growing faster, but we can see here a $58 level, and if we will see something like this, it is okay to buy this company. From my point of view, you can detect some level here, Sanofi, but maybe you can just pause this video and offer a better level in the comment section down below. Bio-Techne Corporation, and we can see this one, and this company actually very expensive, price to sales close to 20, but I really like it, and you can see this really nice grow in revenue. It is definitely a plus. 10x Genomics, TXG, and again we're on a nice level, you can see it here. Probably it can be a really good idea to buy it right now, or maybe wait a little bit to just approve this entry point. I will wait a little bit more in Vertex, but with this chart we can miss this opportunity because it is quite cheap right now, only 6 price to sales, and it was 11 a year ago. I'm still waiting $60 in Zillow, but maybe I wouldn't wait it because definitely we can see that price action slow down, and it can be a loss for 2021-2022. Or you can wait next quarter results, maybe it will be a second drawdown. And the last one, sweetest one, Zevia. $10, it is quite cheap, but it is a fresh company, they can go lower. If you like this video, please push the like button and write some comment, because I don't know is it interesting or no.